Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram not showing updated post. So guys, when you open your Instagram app and seeing only old posts on your Instagram and not show new post, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your settings, and guys after this you need to click on Wi-Fi, and after clicking on Wi-Fi you need to make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected or not. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi and click on forget this network. And guys, after doing this you need to connect it again with your phone. And guys, if do not have Wi-Fi, then you need to open your mobile data. And guys, after doing this you need to go back and scroll it down and click on app management. And guys, after this click on app list. And guys, here you need to find Instagram. So find Instagram here. And guys, after finding it you need to click on Instagram. So guys, here you can see click on Instagram and simply click on storage and cache. And guys, after this clear cache, and after doing this you need to go back. And the third method is you need to update your Instagram. So guys, how can you update? So guys, simply you need to open your Play Store. And guys, here you need to search Instagram and click on Instagram. And guys, you will find the option of update here. So guys, I have already updated this app, therefore I have not showing the option of update. So guys, if your app is not updated, then you need to update first your app. And guys, after updating, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem and having this type of issue again and again, then guys you need to open your settings again. And guys, scroll down, click on system, and click on reset phone, and click on reset Wi-Fi settings, and click on reset. And guys, after doing reset you need to select sim 2 and click on reset again. And guys, after doing reset on network setting, then all the problem will be fixed and you will be able to show all the new post and updated post on Instagram feed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.